Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Time Out for the Alphabet with Miss T, and that is me. So glad to see you today. How are you? Well, I'm doing well, so I hope you are too. So today we are going to go over numbers. Yes, numbers. And we are going to learn to count by tens. Yes, count by tens. So, counting by tens may seem a little difficult, but it's not that hard once you learn this system. So, together, let's count from 1 to 10, and then we will learn how to count by tens. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Put my fingers in there. 9 and 10. Okay, so we counted from 1 to 10. So there's a little trick to help us count by tens, okay? So we went all the way to 10, but we're going to count by tens. What does that mean? That means when you count by tens, you don't say all of the numbers. You only say every 10th number. So when you count by tens, you put a 0 on the end. You see that? You put a 0 on the end. You start from 1, go all the way up to 10. So are you ready? Come on, let's do it, my friend. So the trick is you put a 0 on the end. So we already counted from 1 to 10. So all we're going to do is put a 0 on the end of each of those numbers, and then we're going to be able to count by tens. So are you ready? Here we go. Remember, when you count by tens, you put a 0 on the end. Here we go. 1 turns into 10. 2 turns into 20. See, there's a 0 on the end. We put them this way because we're going to count again. 3 turns into 30. See that? 4 turns into 40. 5 turns into 50 by just adding that 0. 6 turns into 60. 7 turns into 70. 8 turns into 80. We're almost done. 9 turns into 90. You see that? And 10 turns into 100. So we just counted by tens. But now what we're going to do is count by tens all together. Here we go, all together. If Miss T can get her numbers together here, get them in order. Here we go. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do it again. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Let's do it one more time for your mind. Let's go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. You just counted by tens. You just counted by tens. So counting by tens can be super easy. All you're doing is adding a 0 onto that number, okay? Onto these numbers. And then we do it all over again, because once we get to 100, then you just go 110, 120, 130. So then we're putting that whole set on the end of those numbers, okay? So we'll get to more of that later. So I hope you had fun learning how to count by tens, putting a 0 on the end. So until we see each other next time, this is Miss T with Time Out for the Alphabet. And I hope to see you soon. And I hope you like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.